Lecture 4 on the human condition viewed through the lens of neuroscience. Today I want to talk about the vagus nerve and trauma. Think of the vagus nerve as a massive interconnected highway of information exchange between the body and the brain. We've all heard the term that you get a feeling in your gut, those strong emotional feelings sometimes. They seem to be originating from certain locations within the body. The vagus nerve is an informational, like a superhighway of interconnected freeways. On this interconnected highway, think of exits as different organs. You have an exit towards the heart, an exit towards the liver, an exit towards the kidneys, to the gut. But when something traumatic happens, an exit can get blocked. Traffic can get congested. It's much more difficult to get from one place to the other because of all the traffic congestion. And how it is to the brain is that at the inception of a traumatic event, the adrenal medulla releases epinephrine. It's like a spike in epinephrine or adrenaline release. That signal makes its way to the brain, where the basolateral amygdala will release all this excess glutamate. The more glutamate, the more synaptic connections. I mentioned in the previous video, the more connections that you form to a specific memory trace, the stronger the information exchange, the easier it's going to be to access that information and more frequently. Those are core memories. We don't forget those. So the beautiful thing about therapy is just therapy does not unclog the traffic. It does not undo the synaptic connections in the brain. But what it does do is that it reroutes the traffic. It provides a better pathway for the information to get from one place to the next. It cannot undo anything. It provides a much better alternative, both within the vagus nerve of your body and within the brain. Think of it as a trauma pathway that's been forged in the woods just from walking the same path. Well, along this path, there are branches that are cutting you up. There might be wild animals about, right? Well, therapy will provide a paved road as opposed to trudging through the woods. There won't be wildlife to be concerned with. It's a much easier pathway, much less resistance. And the body and the mind prefers ease to difficulty. So therapy will provide a smoother pathway for you, a different synaptic connection for you that's associated with a specific memory trace.